god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this spike, guys. This is really dangerous. This is really crazy. Oh my god, it's taking me out. Oh my god, guys, oh my god. What's popping, guys? It's your boy IamXO, and in this video I will be live scalping and trading the Forex market. Will I successfully beat the market and make a profit, or will the market beat me? Well, let's find that out in this video, episode 1 of the IamXO live scalping series. Let's get started. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos actually subscribe, so if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm, so we can help more people find this video. And if you have any questions or video ideas, then drop a comment. Enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, before I get started, I want to clarify something. As you can see on my chart, I have the 200 EMA line up here, and you can see this is the ATL 14 period ATL. The reason why is I like using the ATL to calculate my stops and targets, and I like to use the 200 EMA to see where the trend is and in which bias location. Like, am I going to be a long bias or a short bias? Am I going to be taking long trades or short trades? So that is why I have this 200 EMA line up here, and let's wait for a setup, guys. Let me clear things out. This is not a back testing like other. So guys, this is not a back testing like I'm using the rewind tool to go back in time and trade. This is me trading the live market. As you can see, this is live.
A few moments later,
You can see it's counting live at this point. I think what's the time? The time is 13:50, 24th of December 2020, and it's 13:50. So okay, so let's wait for an entry. Right now I can't find an entry, so let's wait for an entry. I'm using the 5-minute time frame. I only trade EU and UJ, US, Euro USD, and USD JPY. So if I see a setup, I'll come back to you guys and make and take a trade, and you guys will see the results. I'm looking forward to taking at least 4 trades every single day, and let's see what happens. And also, I want to say a big thank you to all of you guys that subscribe. I got 48 subscribers. It's like, I think it's 3 months plus right now. Guys, I have a big plan. You know, I'm trying to grow this account to, by the end of 2021, I'm looking forward to having 1 million subscribers, so I can get, I have a lot of things to share. I have a lot of things to share with you guys. So if you guys will subscribe, like, and share this video, and leave a comment and help me rank, you guys will not regret it, guys. You guys will not regret it. Alright guys, I can see a setup, so let's take a trade at this point for a buy right there. And let's see, the ATR value is 32. So 32 times 1.5, it's 48. So quickly we'll take a trade for buy. Stop loss 48 pips. We'll set our take profit later. So oh, I think I made a mistake. Is it 48?
a few moments later.
Guys, I think trading views calculation of pips is a little bit different. Okay guys, this is our first trade. I just took this trade right at this point, so let's see if our take profit gets smashed for a 1 to 1.5. This is a quick trade for 1 minute. Let's see if it's gonna be a win, and I'll get back to you guys for the results of this trade. So guys, like I mentioned before, I'll be trading only on the EU and UJ. Like you guys saw me, I took a trade on GU. I just added GU into my setup because I saw that GU has kind of a decent spread, because I usually like to take my spread into consideration, guys. And if the spread is too big, I won't take the trade. So usually EU and UJ has a very good spread, so that's why I said EU and UJ. So I came and I saw that GU has a good spread, and I saw the setup and I was like, okay, let me jump into the trade. So let's see if that's gonna be a win. I don't know yet, but let's just see if it's gonna be a win. So let's wait for the market to get to this point, then I'll close the trade. So you can see the market is fluctuating, so let's leave that and come back to it later. Like I said, guys, I'm seeing a setup at this point, a break, and let's wait for the retest. I'll get back to you guys. So let's wait for an entry. Guys, this looks like a good entry, so let me just wait for an entry. I can see the momentum in this kind of stick. It's crazy, it's really crazy. Let's wait for an entry. This looks like a beautiful setup, so let's just wait for an entry. Let's wait for an entry. I keep saying that. Okay, let's just wait for an entry. The market is looking really crazy. You can see all these doji candlesticks at this point. I'm beginning to contemplate, I will I take this trade. The retest has been destroyed completely, and now I'm going from being a buying biased trader to becoming a selling biased trader, guys. So, okay guys, well, I don't think this is a valid setup, so let's just pass this and we'll wait for another entry. Guys, this market has been crazy. It's just been, I don't know, it's been annoying. Well, let's let the market do its thing. As you can see, the market is just I don't know, smashing up. So let's just see if it behaves normal and do what I want it to do, or it's, you know, basically destroys me and hit my stop loss, and I'm probably gonna cry, and that's it. So guys, a quick update. As you can see, we lost this trade, and then the market started going up. Well, yeah, it is what it is, guys. That's the market for you. And this is one loss, as you can see, as the first loss we've taken on this challenge. All right, this is the first loss, guys. Actually, the strategy I'm using is not my most profitable strategy. Like I said, I have 3 strategies that I take, but this is the least, which is the third one. So guys, as you guys saw, we lost our first trade. So right now I'm seeing a setup for another trade, so let's wait for an entry. Okay guys, I just saw an entry real quick, 13 seconds to go. ATR 16, so 16 times 1.5 is 24. 24 times 2, oh sorry, times, yeah, 2. What did I just do? Jesus. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my data connection. It's really extremely slow. I want to get in on this trade at this point. This is a good setup. Like this is a high probability setup, like a high probability setup. This is crazy, guys. This is really crazy. So, well guys, nothing works 100% of the time, so take note of that, please take note of that. So guys, I had to place the trade first so I can set my position 2, because I don't want to let that stop me from taking this trade. So a 1 to 1.5 would be a great opportunity. A 1 to 1 is good because it's scalping, but I like to use a 1 to 1.5 or a 2 arrow. So guys, for this live scalping series, I'll be using a 1 to 1.5. So guys, as you can see, take profit was smashed. A 1 to 1.5 was a win, and you can see that was beautiful. You know, I got in on this trade and market smashed up. Guys, while I was busy, a different entry occurred and I missed it. Let me show you guys the entry. Yeah, I missed this one. I was really angry with myself. This would have been a beautiful win, but that was in hindsight right now. So boy, I would have taken this trade guaranteed. I would have taken this trade, but I missed it. So that's one missed trade, and let's look for a different entry. This will be a good entry because of this strong momentum to the upside. So let's see if this will give us an entry signal. So let me mark this up. EU, let me check UJ. Okay, strong momentum to the downside, and let me see if it will give me an entry. GU, I think I just took a trade there. Okay, no, I missed this one. AU, take profit smashed. Beautiful win, guys. So this is 1-1 for the day. We've won 1 and we've lost 1. So let me put that down on the chart. So 1 win and 1 loss. So we have 0.5. So let's go the new entry. I just saw this one now, so let's get in for a short, for a sell at this point. ATL 9 times, so 9 times 1.5 is gonna be 13.5. So that's a 14 pip stop for a sell. not like 14 pip, like a 1.4. I meant to say. I keep making this mistake. 1.4 pip stop. 1.4. Okay, so let's wait for this trade and see what it ends up being. All right, let me take it one more time, but this time with 10%, 20% of my account size, and it's good. So let's come back and see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this spike, guys. This is really dangerous. This is really crazy. So let's wait for an entry. Let's do it. Oh my god, oh my god, what? Oh my god, oh my god, it's taking me out. Oh my god, guys, oh my god. Okay guys, we got stopped out again. That is crazy. All right, that is really crazy. So the reason why I did this video, so you guys can see that it's actually okay to win and lose. So tomorrow I'm gonna come again and take another trade, like more trades. You guys will see the difference. You know, tomorrow I could win 4 trades in a row and lose only 1. Okay guys, as you can see on the last trade we took, which is this trade, we lost a whopping $1,040. That's insane, guys. Absolutely insane. $1,000 loss, and that's really heartbreaking, guys. Really heartbreaking.